Good morning or good afternoon, whatever time you're logging on. Happy Wednesday. This is 8th grade, and we're going to talk about what you're doing today. Also, stay tuned because I'm going to give you some important announcements. We are in Unit 10 still in HEAT, and today is April 29th. So you're going to kind of go down there, make sure, so on Monday you had to do an ed puzzle. Make sure you have submitted that. It was due today by 9 a.m. So if you forgot, it's fine. Just get it in as soon as possible because I haven't graded it yet. Okay, and then today you are doing another PowerPoint and presentation guide. So you'll, just like you did last week, you're going to watch the PowerPoint, listen, and make sure you open this document up because that's your work for today. Open it up and then fill it out at the same time you're watching the presentation. I can't remember how long it is. I think it might be about 17. Yeah. Oh, I started. Sorry. It's about 17 minutes. So kind of keep in mind it's going to take you about 30 minutes probably to watch it and fill out the presentation guide. Maybe less. Maybe you guys are fast at this, but just put aside that amount of time. Also, I just want to give you a heads up on the rest of the year because we're almost done. So let's look at the calendar. Today is the 29th. We have this week, which has these two classes, the 4th and the 6th for my class, and then the 11th and the 13th, and that's it. The 13th is the last day of science class. So you guys really have 2 weeks left, and then you're done with science. I don't know what else you have coming on for other classes, but I think regardless, the 14th is your last day. So let me kind of show you what's going on so you can have a heads up. You do have 2 more quizzes before the end of the year. Your first quiz will be, today's the 29th, will be next Wednesday, the 6th, okay? And I went ahead and put the study guide, I unlocked it for you guys to view. On Monday, all you're going to be doing is studying for your quiz. So that's, see, next Monday you're going to study. But if you want to get a head start and study today, your quiz is going to be on the 6th, okay? And then I also want to give you a head start. The last thing you're going to do, which is due on the 11th, your last day of science class, or sorry, it's due on the 13th, but I'm giving you the 11th to work on it, is an ice cream lab. And what you're going to be doing is making ice cream. Spoiler alert. So I want you guys to be able to make sure you get the ingredients that you need ahead of time because on this day, the 11th, I'm giving you that whole class period to work on it. You're also going to have a lab worksheet to turn in on the 13th. So I went ahead and you can open this up and you can actually see it already. It's right here. If you desire to start working on it and get it done early, feel free. I know you probably have other things to do for your other classes. So if you want to get this one out of the way, it's unlocked. You can even submit it already, okay? So I just want to give you that heads up. But if you don't do it early, that's okay too. I do give you that Monday to work on it, okay? So I hope that wasn't too much information. It's all in RenWeb as well. So if you want to see it on paper, you can as well. Just so I can kind of show you. The presentation guide, you guys have done it before, so I'm just going to show it to you. You're going to complete these questions. Again, each of these underlined phrases are the titles of the slides and then the question for the slide, okay? Make sure you're doing complete sentences, writing in red, and so on. And then here is the study guide for your quiz next Wednesday that you can now open up and study. It's very short. It is going to be not open book. This is not going to be open book, so make sure you guys do study for that, okay? All right, guys. Have a great day.